There are homes that shelter, and there are homes that speak. This one whispers a story of grace, of warmth, of quiet sophistication. Set amidst lush greenery and wrapped in timeless southern charm, this residence welcomes you into a world where architecture meets emotion. From the grand facade, the manicured path gently draws you closer, each step revealing layers of symmetry and serenity. The porch opens wide, breathing in the afternoon air, framing views that promise calm. Every column, every shadow feels deliberate, a prelude to the elegance waiting within. Step inside, where polished wood floors meet warm light spilling through tall windows. A refined hallway stretches forward, guiding the gaze through art-lined walls and subtle textures that hint at quiet luxury. It's a perfect balance, grandeur softened by intimacy. The living room unfolds like a conversation. Rich tones, classical accents, and curated art pieces breathe life into the space. A ceiling fan hums softly above plush seating, where mornings stretch into afternoons and laughter finds its echo in the soft glow of lamplight. This is where elegance relaxes and comfort takes the spotlight. Transitioning into the private quarters, the light shifts, more intimate, more tender. Each bedroom carries its own rhythm, creamy linens, sun-washed walls, and glimpses of the garden outside. Textures whisper, silk, cotton, polished wood, harmonizing to create a sense of retreat. Here, luxury is not loud. It breathes softly in the quiet between moments. Soft greens and natural tones bring freshness into the guest and children's rooms. There's a sense of innocence, sunlight dancing across playful corners, books by the window, the warmth of morning light touching everything it sees. Every detail, from the gentle wallpaper hues to the sculpted moldings, speaks of care and consideration. A spiral staircase becomes sculpture, rising gracefully like a ribbon of wood and light. It connects stories, not just levels, a vertical journey through design and memory. The kitchen is a stage of everyday ritual, refined in every line. White cabinetry meets natural stone, brass fixtures gleam under soft illumination. It flows effortlessly into the dining area, where long meals and laughter linger. The air smells of freshly baked bread, the kind that fills a home with warmth before words ever do. Then, the master suite, a symphony of calm. Vaulted ceilings embrace the room with openness, while light filters through draped curtains in the softest tones. A spacious bathroom continues the poetry. Freestanding tub, classic vanities, subtle symmetry. The textures invite touch. Marble, wood, glass, all in delicate conversation. Every morning here begins like a promise, and every evening ends like a sigh. Below, the rhythm shifts again, a room alive with energy, a study lined with rich woods, and another space for play, laughter, and the clink of glasses late into the night. Here, sophistication meets spontaneity, the house reminding us it can be both refined and alive. As the journey comes full circle, daylight spills across the terrace and into the shimmering pool. The landscape beyond feels infinite, yet the home remains the heart, a world unto itself. A sanctuary where every room tells a story, and every story feels like coming home.